During the pandemic, trends toward mobile services, like mobile fueling and mobile maintenance, have only accelerated. These services offer more efficiency so that your fleet can recapture some time to better serve customers.
I'd love to just start by talking about some of the trends that we're seeing in the market. I think the big thing is that we're seeing that COVID is just accelerating a lot of these trends that were already happening. One example being a move away from brick and mortar, and I think that is extremely prevalent even in the fleet space. So we're seeing an increased adoption of on-site services. So whether that be mobile maintenance or mobile fueling, there has been an increased demand throughout the pandemic. I'd say it's probably for three main reasons. One is just more emphasis and more obsession with efficiency than ever, right? And an obsession with the bottom line. I think it's been this time has been pretty tough on a lot of companies, and so this is the time to really scrutinize every expense and find those pockets of inefficiency and try to recapture that time. And so companies are recapturing the time and using it to serve more customers or to service the customers that they already have just in a better way. So that's one. Two is safety. I think there's been more emphasis and companies are trying to, socially distance. So how can I take my drivers away from areas of congestion, like a gas station or a shop, a maintenance shop and interaction there? How can I take my drivers away from there? How can I remove the need to touch, a potentially dirty handle at the gas pump? And then I'd say three is just looking for more control. Things are crazy, right? So how can I find the bogeys in my operation and remove them before they happen? And one of those things is the unexpected trip to a maintenance facility, the unexpected trip to a gas station. How do I just gain control and eliminate those bogeys from my operation? And then same with fuel cards. How do I take the 100 fuel cards that were out in the field and consolidate them on one fuel card that is managed by Booster and just eliminate that risk, eliminate that temptation for misuse for my drivers?